Welcome everyone. We're going to talk today about working with a still life, and these are simple shapes of circular form and cylinders. So we have 4 objects here, you could even say 5 with the added spoon inside of the cylinder. Now what we're going to do is pick one object and measure everything off of that, just like we already discussed. I am going to pick the lemon. And when I pick the lemon, what I first want to do is think about how high everything will be, and then also how wide. So I can pick my full still life. As we can see, it's almost like a square that accrues from the still life. Okay, so first of all, with my lemon, you'll be using your pencil. You'll be putting the top part of your pencil on the top part of this area here on the lemon, and your thumb will go at the bottom. And then I'm going to be using a different device here. But then I'm going to measure. So let's say this is about 1, 2, and we'll say about 2.5. So if we were to actually physically pick up this particular lemon, we would count 1, 2, 2.5 in length till we get into this particular other object, that is the bottle. Then I'm going to go ahead and measure the distance, and we're going to just measure the distance till we get to this other apple. So I'm going to measure the width this time of my lemon, and I'm going to see there's about 1 lemon in between here in the negative space. So 1 lemon, 2 lemons here, and then I get to my apple. Also, I can look and see if I were to draw a straight line, normally my pencil would go on the straight line. I could see that this lemon is the one that's closest to me. So there's negative space that is accruing, and I can tell everything else is pushed back further. So for example, with the apple, if I drew a straight line here, I can see it intersects about halfway already into that lemon. So I know that I would draw my apple halfway into the lemon. Other ways we can go is overall, if we were to draw a straight line here at this apple, we can see where the apple intersects. It's about, you could say, halfway into this bottle. It's also about a quarter, almost halfway into, maybe 3/4 into this cylinder. So different ways we can measure. There's so many other ways we can go about this, which we will continue on working.